Good morning, Facebook. What's happening out there? Dante Bona, OnlyWoodFloors. It's a wet one out today, but we're here in Rossmoor, which is pretty much Los Alamitos, California. We're going to be sanding a distressed walnut floor, and just basically, the floor is in pretty good condition overall. Customers just tired of the color, tired of the distressed look. Called another company out. They said it couldn't be done. Told her basically she had to replace the whole floor. So I came out, took a look, did an estimate. A lot of wear on there. So we're gonna go ahead and do this floor. Let me turn this thing around, show you guys what we got going on. Taking you in through the back, just like I said, it's a rainy day out. All right, so take a quick look. Here's the floor. You can see the distress, but not super big. And so she wanted to go lighter, so we're definitely going to go lighter. Actually going to go with the Loba 2K Invisible. So this thing should lighten up, look really, really good at the end of the day. But that's what we're looking at right now. And we got the man himself doing this job out here. Brian Adams himself is going to sand this floor. So I'll do a video update in a little bit, and we can see what it looks like in a little bit. Everyone have a good one.